Today I want to talk about love. If you know how to say I love you in many languages, like I always liked, it's a wonderful way to build a rapport with people. I will teach you today how to say I love you in Hebrew, but before that, I would like to brag. I know how to say I love you in many languages, so first I will brag and then I will teach you how to say it in Hebrew, okay? So let's start with Arabic. أنا بحبك. Yiddish. Ich hab dir lieb. German. Ich liebe dich. Italian. Te amo. French. Je t'aime. Spanish. Je te quiero. Romanian. Eu te iubesc. Hungarian. Szeretlek. Ja lubię ciebie. Polish. Ja cię kocham. Okay, so now it's time to learn how to say it in Hebrew. A woman to a man. אני אוהבת אותך. I אוהבת, love, a verb for a woman. אותך, you, male, object. אני אוהבת אותך. אני אוהבת אותך. אני אוהבת אותך. Now, a man to a woman. אני אוהב אותך. I, אוהב, male, verb, singular. אותך, you, object, feminine. אני אוהב אותך. אני אוהב אותך. אני אוהב אותך. And now that you know all the forms, you can create a man to a man, a woman to a woman. And most importantly, I want to remind you that this world needs love. It needs love more than anything else. And let's not forget, we are all connected, no matter of your color of your skin, your religion, what you believe in. We need to treat people with love. Or as we say in Hebrew, be'ahava. Be with ahava, love. Be'ahava. And notice that the word ahava in Hebrew also consists of 4 letters. You see, we have a lot in common. See you in the next video.